Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can disable Windows 10 login password and lock screen on the Windows 10, and this should be working for Windows 11 should be similar. You should have similar options for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So let's get started and see how you can disable it. So the first thing that we have to do is to go on Start and click here on your user account name. When you click on Start here, so click on it and click on Change Account Settings. And now here go to Sign In Options. And for here we're gonna scroll a little bit down. And here require sign in if you have been away, when it should require sign in again. When PC wakes up, then you just click here on Never. And after you've done that, we close this window. And now we need to do one more thing before this will take effect. We go again to Start and we're gonna type and this command should pop up here on best match, and we click on it. And here as well, this is users must enter a username and password to use this computer, and we just untick this. We click on apply, and now you have to type in your password in order to confirm that you're the administrator. So I'm gonna type the password right now, and you won't need to type your password anymore in the lock screen, and lock screen as well you will not have. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.